Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is one step at a time. You are going through a trial, tribulation, a test, obstacles. Everything's not easy, but guaranteed it shall be worth it. Make sure that you don't stop. We bend, but we do not break. One step at a time. Don't worry about the future. Don't look in the past. The past you've outgrown. The future you've already won. You're on your way to a great place. Don't worry about how I'm going to get there and then think of how it's going to be. That makes the journey more difficult. It makes it more rough. It feels longer. Take one step at a time. Lamp into your feet, light into your path. Look at your footsteps. Be in the present moment. Even if it takes one day at a time, 1 hour at a time, 1 minute at a time, 1 second at a time, continue to move forward. In no time, as the season does change, you'll look up and you'll be in that future. You'll be in that light. You'll be in that prosperity. And you've had peace because you weren't worrying about the past or the future. And you kept on moving. I see the mountain ahead, and I dedicate myself to taking one small step at a time. I make progress by staying focused on the present moment, the current task. Thus, I regain the ease of living, and you succeed. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.